Today I'm going to show you how to change tie rod end. Here I'm jacking the car and taking off the wheel. Make sure to support it with the jack stand. As you can see, there is many rods. Use a wire brush to clean up and penetrating oil. Unscrew locking nut. My tip is hammer on the wrench, it is more easy. For this nut I am using breaker bar. Just turn the wheel to better access and put the nut back for some safety. This is pry bar to get tension upwards because I am going to hammer on steering knuckle and it will pop. As you can see here. Remove it all the way and you need to count your turns here. Full turn, second, and so on. Clean up the threads, and as you can see, this is my new tie rod end and it is a bit shorter, so that was important to count the turns. And screw back the same amount. Put it back to the steering knuckle and hand tighten this nut for now. As you can see, there is a gap because this tie rod end is a bit shorter. Hold the tie rod itself and tighten the locking knot. Tightening this nut and job is pretty much done. You still need to do an alignment after this job, but just check if your steering wheel and your wheel is straight. Thanks for watching.